Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not responding. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open Task Manager and then click memory. You will find it like that. Just click memory and then close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome and an application that you don't need here, and you can also close it from this one here, and that's it. If you want to close it, just right click on it and end task. And now all you need to do, just go to details, scroll down until you find applications. It starts with R, like this one, and then go now you need to do it fast. Open Rocket League, click on it and come here and wait for it, and here we'll find it. Right click on it, set priority, click high and change priority, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.